There is a Jungian concept called non-duality. It's not really a theory. You see, in light, it works through what Albert Einstein and Carl Gustav Jung translated to one another as being finita. That means the finite. It works at a -1 interval coming from moonlight, because at night there's a drape of dark where the moon is highlighted in an array of color. Windhand talks about this when they say blessed moon. It's something integral to us as people. Now you look at infinite, and that has everything to do with the spectrum of dark, and there is a spectrum in dark. It happens to be that very fine nuance that works at the highest precipice of absolutely everything, and it translates as pure light. Pure light is the finite, dark is the infinite, and therein lies a balance. I become obsessed with describing something that Tool describes as mildew and smoldering. Nine Inch Nails describes as ripe with decay. I call it the roaming still, because it is a hitch point of conscience as consciousness flows through it via portals of people's perception. Now, how does that get translated within non-duality? I've theorized that there's something called non-triality, and that is a triplicate split, where there's an array of separation between people, where the obviate is a conscious effect of conscience working its way through the balance of light and dark, where another point is created, and I truly do believe is found in the soggy bottom water of Louisiana. You're going to find that the greatest things on the face of the planet, as far as morality is conceived and perceived, become broken down where there is an outlying thematic of sin that works at hitch very closely via vicinity of these areas and localities interspersed all throughout the country. Now, these things are basic, and it is the whole Trinity more than anything. That's why I call it non-triality, because Gabriel, Raphael, and Michael do not work against one another, but they work in coalescence.